The Pasco Sheriff's Office was notified on August 23, 2022, about an incident involving Christine, a 52-year-old woman who was aggressively refusing to leave a bar and was confrontational towards the bartenders. The responding officer is about to have his hands full.
So, I have this blind woman right here.
Okay.
Being just ungodly rude.
Okay.
Told me to go fuck myself, this and that. I'm being nice. Let me sit at your table, call the person back up who came about you here, and by all means, I'm going to pick you back up. I'm not serving you no more here tonight.
Okay.
Fuck you, call the cops. I'm not going nowhere.
Okay.
I like,
So
really?
she paid up?
She paid up.
Okay.
I told her, I said, look, you need to call somebody. You really want to call the cops? Call the fucking police. This woman right here.
Hey, time to leave. Come on. Come outside.
Whoa, dude.
Come outside.
No.
Are you saying no? Because if you say no to me...
What the hell? Excuse me?
Are you walking outside? No? Are you sure you don't want to walk outside with me? Because if I ask you one more time, I'm going to put you in handcuffs and take you to jail for trespass after warning.
What am I trespassing?
You're being told to leave. It's time for you to leave. Now let's go. Come on, you can walk outside. Come on. Walk. Stop nodding your head and walk over here. What's your name?
I want to go home.
Okay, well you gotta walk outside the door first.
Really?
Yeah. What are you looking for?
You're asking me, I'm guiding your voice.
Okay, give me your hand. Come on. Come with me. Who do you have to call? Huh? Come on. Come on. Keep coming. Watch the door. Come this way. Who do you have you can call? Who do you have you can call?
I live in Fort Ritchie, 7888.
Okay. How did you get here? How did you get here?
Friends.
Okay, do you have a friend you can call to come pick you up?
No, I don't.
Well, how are you going to get home?
Do you want me to hang out, or do you just want me to shut the fuck up?
No, the bartender wants you to leave.
Then,
So that's why we're outside.
all you had to do was call me to go home.
Okay, so that's what we're doing now.
What's the problem?
How are you going to get home?
A taxi!
Okay, do you want me to call you one?
You're an ass.
How am I being an ass? I'm asking if you want me to call you a taxi.
Nobody likes this son of a bitch, kid. I
Okay,
live in Fort Ritchie.
I understand that. You just said that. So, do you want to call a taxi or do you want me to call you one?
You want me to stay.
No, you're not allowed to stay.
By who?
By the police, the person you're standing in front of.
Hello? I didn't hear anybody.
Okay, I am a police officer with Newport Ritchie. I'm telling you that you cannot be at the bar anymore. Okay? So I'm offering you a ride home.
Jesus Christ! Really?
I'm sorry, it's not my rules, it's their rules. They don't want you here anymore.
Good! Do you have to call me stupid?
I didn't call you stupid.
Take me the fuck home!
It's not my job to take you home.
Hold my hand!
What?
Hold my fucking hand!
Why?
I gotta piss.
Yeah, not happening. Tell me in the comments if you'd take her hand.
Well, you ain't pissing in my hand.
I'm not pissing on your hand. I'm blind, dude. This is not cool.
I understand that you're blind. Do you have a phone on you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, are you calling someone to come pick you up?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well, how are you going to get home?
Jesus Christ.
Okay, are you going to call a taxi?
I'm about to piss my pants, dude. This is not cool.
Okay, what do you want me to do? You can't go back inside.
I met you before so many fucking times.
We've never met before.
I'm allowed back inside.
You're not allowed back inside.
By who?
By me, the police. You're being trespassed?
Fucking police. And I don't have trespass.
Okay. If you
What
go back...
address do you have?
What?
Oh, Jesus Christ, that fucking real dick. home.
No, you're not home. You're at Sullivan's Bar.
Oh,
Do you know that you're at Sullivan's Bar?
okay, different side.
Okay. So do you understand that you can't be at Sullivan's Bar anymore?
Yes,
Okay. So,
good enough.
I am not the person that's kicking you out, but I'm told that I have to make you leave. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry
That's all
about
you have
that.
to fucking say.
Okay, so do you want to call a taxi to go home?
What time is it?
I believe it's 11.
I'd like to.
Okay. Do you have a phone?
Yes.
All right, we'll pull your phone out.
Why don't you call them? It'd be better.
You have money on you. Well, I can't call and tell him to come here and then you don't have money to pay him. How much did you drink tonight?
I haven't.
Yes, you have.
Honey, I'm a diabetic.
Okay. Did you take your sugar today? Do you need an ambulance?
See, everybody, I could drink. I don't even drink. I had a stroke.
Okay. Well, they were serving you alcohol here, so you can't tell me you weren't drinking because you were drinking. Let me see.
Yeah.
Come here. Walk this way. Walk this way. Put your hand on the wall. There you go. Can you lean against that? No. Just put your hand on it. There you go. Do you live with someone at your house?
I own my own house, but right now, yeah.
Do you have a roommate?
It's a bitch. Are you really stupid?
I don't know anything about you.
Yeah.
So
thank you.
I'm asking you questions.
Jesus Christ. I'm going back to Port Richie.
Yep. What's your first name, sweetie?
Christy. Kristine. I need to sit down, please.
All right.
Please,
Hang on just a second.
No, dude.
I'm going to bring you a chair. Here you go. Put your hand right here.
I'm about to piss my
I
pants.
thought you wanted to sit down.
It's like piss my pants.
Okay, do you want me to ask if you can go to the bathroom inside?
Huh?
Do you want me to ask them if you're allowed to go inside to use the bathroom?
Are you stupid? He's inside.
Who?
Who the fuck are you?
I'm a police officer. Have you not figured that out yet?
No. I don't care about you. Very good.
Okay. Do you understand now?
No.
All right. Well, you
I
caused...
still think you're a piece of shit.
All right. Well, sit down. Stop. Let go.
No.
Let go.
No.
Let go.
No.
Put your hand on the chair. You want to sit down? There's the chair.
No.
Why are you so nasty?
Why are you being a piece of shit in my motherfucker? Okay. I'll sit.
Thank you. Do you want to sit? Don't you want to sit? I went and got you a chair. Huh?
No.
Okay.
I'd love to have a motherfucking field day with you. Come on. Let's go have field day with the fucking cop.
What are you doing?
Having field day with you, bitch.
Why?
Because I can.
Why are you being mean to me? I've been nothing but nice to you.
Really?
Yeah.
You're a taxi driver, asshole.
No, I'm not.
I mean, he could be a taxi driver, and for free at that, provided you give him a good reason to.
Really?
I'm calling you a taxi.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm a cop.
You are?
Yeah, I am. Stupid prick.
You know what? I'm done with you. Now I'm taking you to jail.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Well, stop. For what?
That was battery on the law enforcement officer.
What?
Yep.
Oh my God. Will. Ah!
Come on, let's go. Stand up. Come on. Let's go.
I didn't do nothing.
Yeah, you shouldn't hit me with the chair. Come on.
My wrist.
No, I'm not. Have a seat. Slide in. 10-4. Put your legs in the car. Put your legs in the car.
I can't.
Why?
I'm disabled. Why do you think I just pissed myself?
Because you're drunk?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Put your legs in the car.
Will,
There's no will here. Put your legs in the car.
get the handcuffs. I didn't do anything.
Yeah, you just hit me with the chair. Put your
I
legs
don't what?
in the car.
Are you kidding me?
Put your legs in the car.
I don't even know who you are.
I know you don't. Put your legs in the car.
No,
Yes.
no.
Put your legs in the car.
I said no.
All right, well, when my partner gets here and we drag you in the car, you'll get another charge for obstruction, okay?
Really?
Slide in. Last chance. You're going to get charged with obstruction if you don't slide in.
That's fine. No.
Okay.
Ah! Oh my God! No! Oh God, Will!
Will, has anyone seen Will?
Officer Pinnell, do you have pee on you?
She peed on the sidewalk.
Oh, she's handing you a rag for the pee on you. You okay?
I didn't get peed on.
Help me!
No.
What are you doing?
Taking you to jail.
For what?
Hitting me with the chair.
Are you seriously?
Yeah, you're a mean woman.
So, what's my charge?
Battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting arrest.
I didn't. Are you seriously? I'm in my house with my husband.
No,
You broke
you're
into
not.
my house, dude.
That's the problem. You don't know where you are.
Yeah, I do. Take me fucking home.
You're not going home. You're going to the Land O'Lakes jail.
Why?
Because you're under arrest.
Allison Street. My address is there. You just picked me up.
No. Incorrect.
Incorrect.
Yep.
You give me the fucking back to my house. I got children to feed, bitch. I want to go home. I got a child there. And I got a husband. We're fine. Nobody called you to the fucking my house.
I know. They called me to the bar you were sitting at.
I need to call 911.
Call them.
Then why are you taking me here?
Because you're a bad girl.
Do you know how stupid you sound? You're gonna make me lose my kids.
Well, you should have thought about that while you were at this Sullivan's bar getting drunk, causing a problem.
I was not drunk.
Okay. You don't even know where you were. Do you know how you got to Sullivan's bar?
All you had to do was take me home.
What?
All you had to do was take me home.
I was going to take you home until you got nasty with me and hit me with a chair.
I did not mean to. I'm blind.
Well, I didn't mean for you to pick the chair up and throw it at me either.
Go to sheriff's office. I need help.
I know. We're going to the sheriff's office right now.
Where am I at?
You're at 52 and 41. We're almost to the jail. We'll be there in just a
I
second.
don't need to go to jail.
Yes, you do.
Really?
You're going to jail. Christine, I suggest when we get to the jail that you be nice to the people there. Okay?
I know who the fuck you are, creeped out. You have no reason to tie me down like this.
Tie you down. You're in handcuffs.
I don't have. I'm not. Jesus Christ. Get me out of your car.
I'm getting you out of your car. And just
I can't use my phone.
in about 2 minutes, you'll be out of the car. Okay? I suggest that you not drink anymore after this. Okay?
Oh,
What are you screaming about?
I'm just stupid, bitch. I'm disabled.
Your arms? Why do you have such a potty mouth on you?
I need to go to medical.
Okay, well, we ain't even to the doors yet. I feel like you've been in jail before. I feel like you've been there a couple times, too.
No, actually, no, I haven't.
All right.
You know what? You can antagonize anybody you want.
I'm not antagonizing you.
You're not even a sheriff. You're not a deputy.
I know. I'm a police officer.
No, you're not. And you had no right to arrest me.
Oh, all right.
No, I need to go to medical.
All right. Well, you can ask for medical as soon as we get here. Do you have a reason to go to medical?
Yeah, my hands are swollen.
She was charged with resisting arrest and battery on a law enforcement officer. Funny enough, she actually wasn't charged with trespassing. If you enjoyed today's body cam, be sure to leave a like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe as we will post more body cam footage every week.